Hey, what is up, everybody? Rage here. Today, I think it's about time I finally give you guys the long-awaited update on Project WereBlazer here. It's a long story for you guys. I've been doing a lot going on behind the scenes here, which is the reason why I haven't been uploading lately. I have a couple of videos that need to be uploaded here, but to make it brief, I moved from Tennessee back to Chicago. I'm pretty sure a lot of people know that already by now. I've been back since March here. It's now September. And I gotta say, I've been letting y'all know right now that this thing has not gotten a really good break ever since I got back. So yes, it still doesn't have reverse. I've been driving with no reverse for the longest. To clarify what the issue is with it, for anybody who hasn't really noticed, is that I've concluded with one of the other YouTubers that I forgot the name of it. I kind of feel bad that I forgot the name of their channel, because they actually did help and pinpoint what it could be. They're transmission experts. They have a whole channel dedicated to rebuilding 4L60Es. And they told me that the reason why it doesn't have reverse is because what was it called? It was the input sprag or something. It's sprag something. It's the gear that's supposed to lock the forward sprag. That's what it's called. It's supposed to lock all forward gears when it's going in reverse or in neutral. However, since that gear broke, it's always moving forward. It moves forward in park, can move forward in reverse, drives in neutral up to a certain gear, and drive. So I mean, it stays in one gear in neutral. I've nearly blown the engine up many times, seeing it rev all the way up to 6 as I'm trying to accelerate. Luckily I haven't done that. Knock on the painted door that I still have to paint. Yeah, as you can see, I only got in one door here. This is going to be another project. Speaking of project, I actually have something we're going to paint. I do have a fender and the inner fender wall for the driver's, or for the passenger side. I mean, this is just a passenger side because this was rubbing on the tire. So I had to go out and get a new one, but for me to replace this, I have to replace that, because the one on the side over there, and those right there will be in another video, that whole fender on that side is so bad that if you open that door, it literally goes, and you can see right here, it's pretty bad on this side too. This is going to be on my next paycheck when I get paid again, so I'm going to replace this fender and then hopefully the front bumper, which means the whole front of the car is going to be done. In the meantime, right now, I don't know why I locked it. I'm still in the garage. I'll show you guys what I have so far. Got the LED headlights. Got black panel doors now. This is just the front here. The back here, still the same. But the front is pretty much all set and done. Went ahead, got me a new one of these. Spray painted that black. These trims have been here for a while. You guys probably remember the dash swap. Still got the same old trim piece in here. Got the Kicker KS series with the tweeter and the mid-range. Also got the 6.75 inch along with the Sony head unit. So audio wise, this thing is pretty much near set. I'll show you guys what I actually just completed a couple minutes ago. So we go into here, and as you can see, I got a piece of board here with a pair of Kicker Comp Cs, which are going to be replacing. These things actually sound a little better now that they're raised for some odd reason. But yeah, this is just a little proof of concept of what's going on. So I have a piece of board here stretched along here with two 1x4s holding it up. I forgot, I should have gotten more of these for the other side, but what I want to do is I actually want to make this to where I can actually lift it up, service the amps, or access this little compartment here in case I need to change a spare. And I also got a pair of Sony house speakers back here, just cause. I mean, it actually sounds pretty good. I'm trying to get more sound in the back to make it more like surround sound in here. So I have the Scar Audio 150.4 AB amplifier in here, powering up all the speakers, and then I got a Power Acoustic cheap Walmart amplifier powering up the Kicker Comp Cs. And also, I guess I might as well show you guys, since I did show you here, I picked a pair of these up today too. These are a pair of Scar Audio 18-inch subs. These things are freaking massive. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get the Kicker L7, but luckily I found these for a pretty good deal. $220 for both. They're about like $150 each when they're on the Scar Audio sale that apparently is forever. So I went ahead and got that set. I just need to get the box for it. But for 220, it wasn't bad. But 218s, I mean, I was gonna get an L7X15 in here for like $750 just for the sub alone. So, I guess that'll make up for getting it done before the show. So actually, this whole setup might be done by late September if everything goes well. Because I did sacrifice on getting the L7s in here, getting it all set, because this thing got a power steering fluid leak now, and the transmission I really got to get fixed before winter comes, because yeah, I don't want to get stuck. I at least want to fix the 4x4. I got a transfer case right here for it. I bought a transmission, which I'll show you guys in just a moment. I'm going to show you guys actually something crazy we're going to do. But also went ahead and replaced the radiator in it. Replace the fan clutch. All the cooling stuff on here is pretty much all set now, except for either the water pump or the thermostat. But I mean, those seem like they're working fine. I mean, the car hasn't really been overheating anymore, so it's been pretty decent. Sonic's still standing up there. I actually had to glue his legs the other day. Oh my god, I didn't know the glue stretched right there. Oh well, but he's still standing. He's still going strong. But yeah, but anyway, also the car has its own little pet as well. Come here, you stupid. There's a little mini werehog right there. He just chills in the car. Here's a little fun clip I actually got of the 18s. Driving them really well. Still have to do the other side LEDs, but it's all set. So anyways, I do have quite a bit of other plans I have for this car, but it's not really the point of this video, because this video actually I'm gonna be doing something really crazy here, and I think I might as well show you guys that right now. Ignore the slightly messy room, but everyone knows my room is always full of electronics and all that, tablets, laptops and all, iMacs, but I never thought my room would ever be holding a entire transmission for a car in here. So this is actually going to be possibly one of the biggest and probably one of the most wasted projects of all time. So this here is a Chevy Trailblazer 2TDD, the exact one that's actually in my car right now. This is a transmission that I bought for $180 with transfer case, with the forward drive shaft, or not forward, the front wheel drive shaft, which is going to be used to fix the 4x4 hopefully. I got to do a little bit more research on the transfer case, but I have been doing all types of research on these things like crazy. So I went ahead and just bought one for $180. It claims that it was rebuilt, but this thing needs to be rebuilt again, because I'm pretty sure the guy left this thing outside, and it was when we took the pan off, it was dark red, which is pretty good. It didn't look too bad, but there was quite a bit of rocks in there, which I don't know if you can see right here, but this is where the transmission fluid would go into. And there's like a bunch of stuff in here, so there's quite a bit in here. I did let this drain as much as possible, which is why there's a piece of cardboard here, just to make sure that it doesn't get anywhere on the floor. Reason why I have it in my room is because you can see the amount of space I have in the garage. I actually got more space in this room than the garage, so I kind of have no choice but to work on it in here. I'm gonna try to keep everything here in this area. I'm not really, gaming in here much. If I'm ever gaming or watching something, I'm usually just sitting down now at this point. I really don't get up. I don't even play the VR much anymore, but if I ever wanted, I could just go in the function and do whatever. But yeah, this is quite an interesting project here that I'm going to be taking on. So I'll keep you guys posted up, of course. And this is, I don't know how to say this one, but this one is probably going to be one of the most craziest and most dangerous projects I have actually taken on, because you got to literally rely on this thing to go up to 70 miles an hour, and maybe even faster. So, and if one little thing goes wrong, well, nope, there goes your whole car. So, anyway, I'll keep you guys updated. This is going to be a little coming soon video here. I'm actually recording this on my 15 Plus. I just found this phone here with all the videos I still have to upload. Hopefully you guys may see that soon, or already have seen it. I don't know. Let's see where this goes. But yeah, I got to take a bunch of videos off of here and reset this phone again. And yeah, but anyway, there you guys have it. I'll keep you guys updated on this. See y'all later. I'm out.